The thing that pains me the most is that people will use other service providers and get into trouble. They'll design a plan they can't afford to build. Some of the other designers will forget essential building code requirements. Typically height is a big one here on Maui. And then they'll get into the permit process, and then they'll be very slow to address the issues for the county to approve the permit, and then it stretches on for months or years. I've also had customers use very fancy, well-known architectural firms and spend hundreds of thousands of dollars, sometimes up to $500,000 on a set of plans. And 4 years later, they still don't have anything done. And then they hear about us, they come to us, we take care of them. On larger projects, obviously, it takes a little more than 1 or 2 weeks. So that does pain me a little bit. The residential clients or inexperienced commercial clients, they just don't know any of the pitfalls. And so when these people find me, they're always very grateful because I'll be giving them information from the very first phone call about what they can do, what they can't do, what they're limited by, if they're in a flood zone, what are the restrictions, what are the additional construction costs. That really allows them to make good decisions. There are, of course, some very good people in my industry, and I don't mean to say anything bad about them. But when people are trying to save money, and they call and say, okay, this guy will do a set of plans for this amount. This guy will do a set of plans for this amount. What the customer doesn't know is the quality of those plans. And some of the plans that we get, even from licensed architects, are so sparse in nature that I'm actually surprised. Even our cheapest set of plans all come with great schedules for doors and windows and cabinets and all kinds of things. And we supply a ton of information. So when you're going to build that, you really have a beautiful set of plans to work with. And this is something that customers can't know. All they know is a dollar amount.